Welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. Today we'll be talking about saving seeds from the plants that you have in the garden. Stay tuned. Saving seeds in gardening is a valuable practice for several reasons. Cost savings. Buying new seed or plants each year can become expensive. By saving seeds from your existing plants, you reduce the need to purchase new ones. Preservation of heirloom varieties. Saving seeds helps preserve heirloom and open pollinated plant varieties, which may not be readily available in commercial seed catalogs. This contributes to biodiversity in your garden. Adaptation to local conditions. Over time, saved seeds can adapt to your specific garden environment, making your plants more resilient and better suited to local climate and soil conditions. Self-sufficiency. Saving seeds promotes self-sufficiency in gardening. You become less dependent on external sources for your gardening needs. Crop consistency. You can maintain consistent crop characteristics from year to year, ensuring you get the same quality and traits you desire. As for when to save seeds. Maturity. Collect seeds when the plant has reached full maturity. This often means waiting until the fruit or seed head is fully developed and has started to dry out. Healthy plants. Only save seeds from healthy, disease-free plants. Avoid seeds from plants showing signs of disease or stress. Isolation. If you are saving seeds from plants that cross-pollinate, ensure they are isolated from other varieties to maintain genetic purity. Dry conditions. Harvest seeds on dry days to prevent mold and rot. Allow them to air dry thoroughly before storage. Proper storage. Store seeds in a cool, dry, and dark place in airtight containers. Label them with a date and plant variety for easy identification. Seed viability. Different plants have varying seed lifespans. Some seeds can remain viable for years, while others have a shorter shelf life. Be aware of the expected viability of the seeds you save. Remember that not all plants are suitable for seed saving, and the process can be more complex for certain crops. It's essential to research the specific requirements of the plants you are working with and to follow recommended practices to ensure successful seed saving in your garden. I hope you have learned something from this. I want to remind you to start a garden one container at a time. Happy gardening. Bye-bye.